fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on application and notification, or apps and notification. Now wait for it to load. Once you can see it's loading. So after loading, tap on the see all apps. So after tapping on the see all apps, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. And after loading, you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetically. As you can see, the apps are listed alphabetically from A to B and B to C to Z. So what you have to do is to try to search for NBA 2K app. So type in NBA 2K. So tap on the NBA 2K mobile. Then after that, tap on the full stop. Then tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure you allow the storage permission, which is so necessary. Tap on notification and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure background data is toggled on. Now go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. After doing all this, what you have to do is to update your app on Google Play Store. So after updating your app on Google Play Store, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK. When you do this, the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.